Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say you for coming in my presentation. It's great to see you all. I'm Sukarman, author of this paper. This paper title is Designing 1 Kilo Channel Multi-Channel Analyzer based on the Atmega 32 microcontroller with the USB interface. I'm from Sekolah Tinggi Teknologi Nuklir, Polytechnic Institute of Nuclear Technology, Instrumentation Electronic Teknofisik Departemen National Nuclear Energy Agency Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Here is my outline presentation, background, purpose, method, result, and discussion. Here, generally the diagram block of the spectroscopy system, which is consists of the detector, preamplifier, amplifier, multi-channel analyzer, IDC inside, and then the final diagram connected to the spectrum via the personal computer. The MCA block is located after the IDC signal processing. So this is the problem of why I interest to the MCA design. So it is needed to develop to local and multi-channel analyzer system to support available of this equipment. Here, some research has been done. The example are portable multi-channel analyzer based on the pitch 16F878, 16 bits multi-channel analyzer using Canberra 5H1 ADC and PPI 8255 interface and then the FPGA base and multi channel scalar with the PCI and the USB interface mode. Uh, so this research is the MCR built with Atmega 32 microcontroller with the internal ADC use USB interface hardware and then provided software to data acquisition using DLP. So the purpose of this research is preliminary design and multi-channel analyzer system with microcontroller and provide the software to plot spectrum. Here, the method started with the design, testing, and then design as specify and as shown in this flowchart. Here, design MTA shown in this diagram block. The output from the detector will be held by the pulse detect and hold circuit. Through the microcontroller with internal ADC, signal will be sampled and stored in the RAM. UART to USB interface used to communicate with the personal computer to recording and plotting the spectrum. Its block will be explained next slide. Here is pulse and hold circuit are shown here. Internal ADC will sample the incoming signal with the microcontroller as a controller. Uh, this slide show the schematic of the design of the multi-channel analyzer or MTA. The output of the pulse detection and hold circuit is connected to the internal ADC microcontroller. Data restored in the extended RAM and then send data to the personal computer through the USB interface. This is a communication microcontroller with the personal computer. We have to adjust the baud rate. Here, next, how memory data will be sent to the personal computer with the software DLP to the plot spectrum. Here is the setup the memory data in the RAM with a 4 byte to count the incoming high radiation signal. Here is the testing of the design MCA as follow: detector, amplifier, multi-channel analyzer, and the spectrum display. The result and discussion. The following results are related to the pulse characteristic, the input signal, integral linearity testing of one kilo channel, different linearity testing, spectrum using cesium 137 uh, designs MCA, energy calibration, and the energy resolution. Here is pulse characteristic of the input signal. So that the pulse width is 23 until 30 microsecond with the Gaussian input pulse. Here is integral linearity testing of 1 kilo channel. So in the graph that the signal plot by channel number 1 kilo channel. In here different linearity testing. So on the right side that linearity of the internal ADC. A spectrum of cesium 137 using designs multi-channel analyzer. So in this figure, using cesium 137 radiation source, the spectrum looks one photopic 662 kiloelectron volt at the channel number 760. Energy calibration here, figure above comparison energy calibration between design MCA and the branded MCA. I mean, branded MCA is MCA from the country origin, which is so that the both MCA is linearity with the 0.7 kilo electron volt per channel, and then the 0.8 kilo electron volt per channel respectively. In the below, the show that the design MCA energy resolution is 2.3 poorer than branded MCA because this lack of DNL lead to the energy resolution. Based on the result and the data processing, finally the summary is here. It has been designed an MCA based on the ATmega 32 microcontroller, which can display 1 kilo channel spectrum. Sampling rates reach 33,000 count per second. Spectrum equivalent facility to determine full weight half maximum, the count below the peak, and the calibration. So the energy calibration results obtain a linear relationship uh, according to this equation, or about 0.7 kiloelectron volt per channel. ADC internal of ATmega 32 microcontroller has limited capability, namely DNL of 166 plus minus 3.2%. It leads to poor readability the spectrum and reduction in the spectroscopy system resolution. Uh, Software refinements of the spectrum display can improve the spectrum readability, but the effect can also decrease the resolution because smoothing decrease the count difference between channel. The spectroscopy system resolution design MCA is slightly lower 2.3 times than using branded MCA for the spectroscopy module with the XR100T CDTE detector and PX2T CDTE amplifier. This is suggestion for the development in this MCA. Need to performance development with the IDC with the better DNL, speed, number of channel, resolution support, and application development. So that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention.